Guys, welcome to this new video. Today we're going to install the CTS Turbo full intake. You can see here we have the heat shield, here we have the air filter, the tube. This is 3.5 inches. So we're going to take out this OEM intake and we're going to replace it with the CTS one. To take the OEM intake out, the first thing you're going to do is to pull out here, and then you have to take, the second thing you gotta do is take this thing over here and press it in the both sides and pull. It's that easy. Next we have to take this clamp here. There we go. So now we have to take this thing out and we have to press down and up. This thing. So next you have to loose this screw and pull this tube out.